Why does someone with a mansion, luxury cars, and a beautiful family still feel unhappy, while someone earning minimum wage doing charity work feels fulfilled every single day? The answer lies in 3 circles that most of us don't even know exist. And when these circles align, your entire life transforms. I once met a friend, let's call her Sarah, a brilliant graduate working for a major multinational corporation. High salary, beautiful house, luxury car. Everything looked perfect on the outside. But every morning, she woke up feeling empty. She told me, "Every day at work, I'm just counting the minutes until I can leave. It feels like I'm living someone else's life." Then there was another woman. Let's call her Mai. After graduation, Mai joined a non-profit, working with underprivileged children. Her salary barely covered rent, and her parents strongly opposed her choice. "You studied so hard just for this. Look at your friends, they're all successful now." 2 women, 2 opposite situations, but both were suffering in their own ways. Why? The answer isn't money, it isn't social status. It lies in something most of us never think about, the 3 circles of life. After years of observing people, I realized something profound. Each of us lives inside 3 overlapping circles. The first circle, personal perspective, your personal dreams, desires, career goals, and emotional needs. This is the circle where most people spend 90% of their time. The second circle, social perspective, your contribution to the community, your role in the bigger picture. Do you feel your work matters to other people? The third circle, environmental perspective, your impact on the world around you, the ecosystem, the planet, the long-term consequences of your actions. And here is the crucial insight. Your level of happiness is directly proportional to how much these 3 circles overlap. Sarah, high salary but miserable, was stuck only in the personal circle. Mai, meaningful work but struggling financially, had 2 circles overlapping, personal and social, but her personal stability wasn't fully supported. Neither had full alignment. Let me give you some clearer real-world examples. Example 1. Someone who opens a bar is personal. They earn a good living. Social. They create jobs and pay taxes. Environmental. No direct harm. But if you look deeper, depending on how the business is run, alcohol-related environments can sometimes contribute to unhealthy habits or social issues. So even when something looks perfectly aligned on paper, one circle might still be quietly affected. Example 2. A fast fashion startup founder. A young founder built a fast fashion brand that went viral on social media. Personal. The business grows fast, income is solid. Social. Creates jobs, provides affordable clothing. But the environmental circle, not so strong. Non-biodegradable fabrics, massive carbon footprint, tons of waste ending up in landfills. He wasn't doing anything illegal or unethical, but the environmental circle was collapsing. Later, he shifted to sustainable materials and longer-lasting products. Same passion, but with far more alignment across the 3 circles. Example 3. A tech engineer at a major social media company. A talented engineer landed her dream job at a big social media platform. Personal. Excellent salary, exciting projects. Social. Helping billions of people stay connected. But over time, she noticed, the algorithm increased screen addiction. Teenagers reported more anxiety. Misinformation spread faster than truth. She wasn't responsible for all of this. But her social and environmental circles felt out of alignment. Eventually, She joined a tech-for-good company building tools for mental health and education. Her salary dropped, but her 3 circles aligned again, and she found real peace. So how do you apply this to your own life? Step 1. Assess your circles. Ask yourself, who does my work truly serve? Does it benefit anyone beyond me? Is it harming the environment? Where do my 3 circles overlap? Step 2. Find the intersection. You don't need to quit everything and start over. You can realign from where you are. If you're an engineer, maybe shift from extraction industries to renewable energy. If you're a marketer, move from promoting harmful products to ethical or sustainable brands. Step 3. Gradually expand your perspective. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. If you're only in the personal circle, connect more with community. If you're in 2 circles, explore sustainability. If all 3 align, your joy becomes deep, stable, and long-lasting. Because happiness isn't just a feeling, it's alignment. Back to Sarah and Mai. Sarah eventually moved into the education non-profit sector. Her income dropped, but for the first time, she woke up excited to go to work. Mai continued her mission, but learned how to communicate its meaning to her family. Slowly, they began to understand and support her. Both found ways to align their 3 circles. So now the real question is, how aligned are your 3 circles today? Which of your circles is strongest right now? And which one needs attention? Take a quiet moment to reflect on this, because the answer will shape not just your career, but your happiness in the years ahead.